NEET important MCQ questions from the chapter Ecosystem. First question: which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? Option A: forest ecosystem. Second question: the term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansley. Which one of the following is a characteristic feature of cropland ecosystem? Option B: least genetic diversity. Fourth question: vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels in a biotic community is known as option D: stratification. An association of individuals of different species living in the same habitual and having functional interactions is option A: biotic community. Which one of the following is not a functional unit of an ecosystem? Option A: stratification. An ecosystem which can be easily damaged but can recover after some time if damaging effect stops will be having option D: low stability and high resilience. Which of the following is most stable ecosystem? Option B: ocean. What is true of ecosystem? Option C: producers are more than primary consumers. In the equation GPP minus R equal to NPP, GPP is gross primary productivity, NPP is net primary productivity. R here is option D: respiratory loss. 11th question: the amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis is called option C: primary production. In the equation GPP minus R equal to NPP, R represents option C: respiration losses. In relation to gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? Option A: gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. In an ecosystem, the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is termed as option D: gross primary productivity. 15th question: secondary productivity is rate of formation of new organic matter by option D: consumer. 16th question: the rate of formation of new organic matter by rabbit in a grassland is called option B: secondary productivity. 17th question: biomass available for consumption by herbivores and decomposers is called option D: net primary productivity. 18th question: highest annual net primary productivity is of option D: tropical rainforest. Which of the following is expected to have the highest value in a grassland ecosystem? Option B: gross production. Which is the reason for highest biomass in aquatic ecosystem? Option C: benthic and brown algae. Total amount of energy trapped by green plants in food is called option A: gross primary production. Which of the following ecosystem has the highest gross primary productivity? Option B: rainforest. Identify the correct statement. A: retrievers perform fragmentation. B: the humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization. C: water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called leaching. D: the detritus food chain begins with the living organism. E: earthworm break down detritus into smaller particles by a process called catabolism. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option B: A, B and C are correct. 24th question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1: decomposition is a process in which detritus is degraded into simpler substances by microbes. Statement 2: decomposition is faster if the detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option D: statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 25th question. Detritus break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is called option C: fragmentation. The rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to following factors except option C: detritus richer in lignin and chitin. Which one of the following process during decomposition is correctly described? Option B: fragmentation. carried out by organisms such as earthworm. Next question. The breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by earthworm is a process called option D, fragmentation. Slow rate of decomposition of fallen logs in nature is due to option C, low moisture content. Plant decomposers are option A, Monera and fungi. Which of the following acts as nature's scavengers? Option B, microorganisms.